Yes, good morning students.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to discuss the phase relationship between displacement, velocity and acceleration for the particle executing in simple harmonic motion. As we know, the equation for the displacement is given by the cos function A cos omega t. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now velocity can be calculated by differentiating displacement with respect to time, and its differentiation will come cos will give you minus sin minus omega a sin omega. Clear?
Yes, sir.
But we need to study the phase relationship, and the phase here is omega t, but the function is of cos. We can easily compare if we have the function of cos here also. So we will convert it using simple trigonometric conditions. And we can see that there is a phase difference of pi by 2 between displacement and velocity. Now we will calculate acceleration, that is the derivative of velocity, and we will again differentiate this. We will get minus omega square a cos omega t, and this can be further modified as omega square a cos omega t plus pi. So here we are getting three equations. Number one is for displacement, number two is for velocity, and number three is for acceleration. And here you can easily see that between displacement and velocity we have the phase difference of pi by 2, that means 90-degree phase difference. And here we have omega t, and here we have omega t plus pi. So phase relationship between displacement and acceleration can be shown as the phase difference of pi, that means 180 degree. इसका मतलब यह है कि जब हमारे पास यहाँ पे डिस्प्लेसमेंट पॉजिटिव वैल्यू शो करेगा तो एक्सेलरेशन हमको नेगेटिव वैल्यू शो करेगा, बिकॉज दे आर इन ऑपोजिट फेज. तो पार्टिकल यहाँ पे जैसे जैसे नीचे आएगा, यस, वैसे ही एक्सेलरेशन के केस में हमारे पास जो वैल्यूज हैं दे विल शो द मैक्सिमम वैल्यूज. और जहाँ पे हमारे पास फेज रिलेशनशिप 90 डिग्री है, पाई बाय 2 है बिटवीन डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड वेलोसिटी, तो जहाँ पर हमको डिस्प्लेसमेंट मैक्सिमम वैल्यू देगा वहाँ पे हमें वेलोसिटी मिनिमम वैल्यू देगा. सो यू कैन सी हियर इन द ग्राफ यू आर गेटिंग मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ द डिस्प्लेसमेंट, बट द मिनिमम वैल्यू एज द जीरो वेलोसिटी here in the velocity graph. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And here we also getting the maximum value but in the opposite direction, because there is a phase difference of pi between displacement as well as in acceleration. So this whole graph is created by the values calculated from these three equations, and these three equations help us to form this tabular chart in which we can easily see the values. As you can see, the displacement is showing maximum positive value, at the same time velocity is showing the minimum value, and at the same time acceleration is showing the maximum value, but it is the negative maximum value on the negative side, because they are in the opposite phase. Okay, and similar pattern is continuing in all other values at all other values of the phase. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.